Yes, are unreliable. Why are you doing oil change every 2 years? Like daily.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a few things done over the weekend. Sorry about the partial voiceover. The shop was pretty loud. I had the intercom just blowing up all day. So I removed my hauled out cat, got my test pipe installed, and then I also did my trans mount since it was blown. I also got my alignment done since it was way off. I couldn't go past 100 kilometers. The car would be crab walking. So I got that done. I wanted to put the 18s on that I've had for them, but the coils were seized up. So I'm going to try and see if I spray them every day, if they'll break loose. If not, it looks like the best bet is I'm going to have to take those apart and see if I can rebuild them.
Now, out it comes. Jesus Christ.
Nice. And it's done.
God damn. Hopefully this will help me stop missing third when I'm in it.
That's all on you, bro.
No, it's
Don't
not.
blame the car.
No, it's not.
We tightened this to 2 Ugga Duggas.
2 Ugga Duggas. What unit of measurement is that?
These measurements. 1, 2, 3 Ugga Duggas.
And they're like fucking butter, man. Smooth. Doing some fucking work. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, I never.
So this is. I never really had shit. So you see, just get them started in there, and when you use like a socket and an extension like this, you can kind of move it around a little bit.
Just to get the play out of it. Yeah, that way you don't fucking
lined up, so you don't cross thread everything.
Yep.
Always hand tighten your bolts before you torque them all the way down, because a lot of the times you just want shit to line up and make sure it's lined up.
Yeah, because once you torque it, you're fucking. Yeah.
So you can see those are all going in pretty nicely now. And we can just keep that on.
Yeah, they went in pretty smooth. I can't forget it now.
So how to
it's gonna be
how to 240. The right
properly.
Step 1: don't lift up your car by your pinch welds.
Yeah, as
all you fuck boys out there, super low ass cars, don't fucking do it.
But it's so quick.
It's so quick, but it's so fucking stupid to do it right. Your cars wouldn't break down if you did shit right.
Hey man, sometimes people are in it.
Yes, are unreliable. Why are you doing oil change every 2 years? Like daily. It's the sound of you need a new couple. Yeah. Let that bolt's nice and hot. It's not as bad.
Give it a nice little tap.
Where's my setting?
These gigantic fucking spacers.
Yeah, bro, it's a little ridiculous.
Hey,
oh, that's how it's supposed to be.
Oh.
Also, that bolt should probably be a little bit longer.
Wow, that's just right on there. Why is everything out of fucking focus? Jesus Christ.
Because it's a 240, Lewis.
That's not
what do you want? How to smash your hand.
How to smash your hand 101.
Jesus Christ.
Not even a budge.
No.
Still not.
Oh, it hasn't moved. It hasn't moved at all.
I mean, it moved up, but not from where you're.
Oh wow, it has.
It moved up, yeah. But not from when you last pushed it out. Nope.
That sucks.
Yeah, I heard. I've heard. There's some weird shit you guys have to do.
Weird shit we have to do for everything.
But Sienna's like taking the cake.
Okay, so the way to adjust the ride height is if we want the car higher, we're gonna lower this down.
Okay, bring
on
it
the
down
strut
so
body.
we can.
So all we have to do is loosen this top nut here.
Okay.
And we're gonna do that with your spanner wrenches.
Let's see. Time to see if they fit. Because we're not gonna change. We're not gonna touch the spring rates, right? We're just gonna leave them as they are.
This preload on your spring looks good. Okay, so assuming it's gonna be this longer. Well, maybe I should have done that when it was connected.
There it is. You take it out?
Yeah. You might have to wiggle the
Oh, they fuck.
Oh, it's still fucking stuck.
That good. Oh boy. Alrighty.
This is what makes the difference between being able to do alignment and not being able to.
What is that?
This is the cheater pipe. Not a cheater pipe.
The cheater pipe, the one and only.
Watch your face.
It's pretty important.
Alright, so we got everything. We've got our rust finisher. We've got the biggest cheater pipe that I can find.
Let me get under here. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. What is that? Oh. Need a light?
Let me show you this nifty difty thing here. So,
Oh yes! I've only encountered these once. And it was for a brief moment.
there we go.
Oh, that's nice.
So let's go to toe. Rear toe. There we go. 4 degrees, negative 1.6. So now we can take these back here with us.
That might be my pulling, huh? Cheater bar.
Yes, sir. Oh, wow. That's not liking that at all.
No.
Really, the first thing you want to do is just be able to get this nut loose. There we go. So that's loose. Okay, cool.
Oh, okay, so I actually got loose.
Yeah. I'm really worried I'm going to send this bar through your camera.
Just sitting there.
Looky there.
Would you look at that?
Okay.
There she is.
Wowie.
It only took like a couple tries.
Yeah, that one was also going the other way.
Oh, okay. Still inverted.
Yep. Fucking my whole life up.
So this affects the toe, right?
Yes, what we're doing is your toe.
Okay.
Your car is... I'm trying to think of what the hell the proper term is for it. It's called dog tracking, where the rear end of your car is like basically shifted to the right or the left versus the center line of the entire car.
So it's just...
Your whole alignment is actually based off the rear alignment first.
Gotcha.
So you do the rear first. You're going to do your camber and your caster first, and then you want to adjust your toe. And then you'll go ahead and do the front.
And then you'll do everything else.
I would have totally left that
there. I wouldn't have even noticed. Got this installed. Took out the fucking gutted cat that was in there. I'll go pick that up and show you. So here's the cat. This is what was in the car. As you can see, nothing in there. It was fucking completely gutted.
There we go.
-2.
I'll give you more than that. Like I said, I want 5.
5 and 5.
5 and 5.
Shit's a -47. Jesus.
There we go. I like
There
that.
it is.
1 and 1.
1 and 1.
That's pretty neutral. Great. Your total toe is at -2 degrees. So we're going to tighten all this up. I'm also going to get a new pair of gloves.
Because those are done?
By this point.
Alrighty.
Alright, so we're halfway there. Your car will already feel immaculately better just from that.
And I can actually not have to worry about counter steering while I'm driving straight. Shout out to Justin for doing this for me. I don't know if you remember before, but this was fucking completely off. Don't worry about the camera. We're not gonna worry about that right now.
don't give a fuck about shit. Aye. Nice chain, red bone mains. Chain swing like pretty things. Kick a bitch, call me Luke Kane. Dumb bitch, give me dumb brain. Yo, wrist wet like rain. Nike swoosh, white cocaine. Iceberg, that's Gucci Mane. Tall racks like Yao Ming.